Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Happy Saturday. Today, we're going to be doing our chores, running errands, like any typical person would on the weekends, but our cleaning and errand day is on Saturdays.
Yes, we can't wait for you guys to join us. See what we do on a typical Saturday. This is our normal day. So, yes, welcome to another vlog. Guys, so we just got done cleaning. We are on our way to Speedy Lube right now. Jalen needs an oil change, so we're gonna take care of that. So do you guys like eat breakfast? Because we normally don't. I mean, sometimes we do, but we want to know. Put them in a comment below. And what does your guys' like typical Saturday look like? Do you guys clean on a Saturday, or you just chill? When do you clean? Because everybody's different. We just want to get to know each other. Especially, we're happy that you guys are a part of our growing community and you guys are here watching it.
Check your order.
Hi, yes, can I please have the Supreme Croissant combo?
I'm sorry?
Can I have the Supreme Croissant combo number 21?
The 21 and for the drink?
Can I have a high C pineapple?
The high C pineapple?
Yes.
Okay, anything else?
That'll be all, thank you.
The 21 with the high C pineapple. Right to the window.
Supreme croissant?
Yeah.
$9.89. Cash or card?
Apple Pay?
Hi, Cokes. For you guys that didn't know, we have a little dog. Her name is Coco. She's a little Frenchie. Come here, Coco. Say hi to the vlog. Coco, come here. Come here. Say hi to the vlog. Yeah. It's so hot right now outside. It's crazy. It's not a good time to be in California right now because, the weather is scorching hot. Right?
109 degrees. Which I know it's a lot hotter elsewhere.
Yeah. But it makes it hard for like just to go out and run, quick errands. Because it's like it's 100 degrees out and just like you're sweating, it's hot. People are much meaner during summertime. Do you think that?
Yeah, you are.
People are much nicer during the winter time. I think the hot weather irritates a lot of people, including me. Yeah. Hey guys, so just a quick update. We took a nap. Yes. We take little afternoon naps, especially on the days that we're not working. I just got out of the shower. Jalen, I think she's just barely waking up, but I'm not sure. I think she's already in the shower right now. So just what we're gonna do tonight is I'm gonna make some wings. I think I'm gonna make 2 types of wings: Buffalo Wild Wings or salt and pepper, because I like the plain one. I eat it with rice because I'm Filipino, rice is life. And Jalen likes to eat it with fries, of course. It's an American thing. So right now we're just watching the Olympic basketball game. It's between France and the United States. It's a championship game, gold medal. So yeah, you already know who I'm going for. I'm from the United States, so I'm going for USA, baby. So let's hope we'll catch this gold, man. All right.
Hey guys. So, you see I have freshened up. I'm looking a little bit of spiffy. Right now Richard is cooking. Why don't I never cook? Well, I do cook sometimes. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do. I do cook. I like cooking, but I just need to learn.
Alright guys, so we just got done cooking and now we're gonna eat. You excited to eat, man?
Yep.
Baby. Ooh, that's a lot of rice, huh? When my Filipino people, I tap in, eat everything with rice, man. I eat with my hands all the time. Most of the time, especially when I'm home. It adds like an extra flavor in it, extra kick. As you may. What the hell was that? Oh man. But all I know is I want more hot sauce though.
He loves that hot sauce.
It's my new favorite. It's not sponsored by the way. But you know, we're open for it. Are you? In the future.
Just kidding. Tagalog. Talaga.
Talaga?
Talaga?
How's the fries?
Bomb.
Crispy enough? Can you
I
hand me
saved my ranch.
that? Alright. Time to dig in. So I have to do like a lot of prep rituals before I eat. Oh man. If you're wondering what this is, this was I made some adobo last night, so this is our leftover. But you know, the longer that it sits on the sauce, the better it's gonna taste. That's what they always said. It's like a little marinade.
Can't wait until winter time to do hot pots and things like that.
Right, I've never done hot pot. Like, I've never done it.
Mm.
I'm excited. I want to try it. Barbecue.
No.
Oh, we love Korean barbecue.
Here, chew that part.
What? She thinks I'm a dog.
You know you're gonna
She
eat the
thinks I'm a
leftover.
dog. Look at that. You guys have any pets in the house? Like a dog, cat?
I want a cat. I love Coco, but I want a cat too.
I don't know, man.
I'ma just bring one in.
I'm not a
Say
cat
nothing.
person. I'm a dog person. I'm a dog dude. DD. Dog dude. DD dog dude. Huh?
So what are some things I can cook? I can make Swedish meatballs.
Cup noodles. Instant ramen. What else?
Chicken tacos.
Marie Callender's frozen book. No, I'm just kidding. She can cook. She make good tacos. Maybe we should do that next time. What do you guys think? You want to see her cook some tacos? Put it down in the comment below. Okay, guys. So we just got done eating. I'm full. Are you full?
Yes, it was really good. It was what?
Delicious. How do you say delicious in
Masarap.
Tagalog? Masarap. There you go.
So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you check us out for more. And see you soon.
Yep. We'll see you on the next vlog. Bye.